Lisa, time for another Sicilian word. Today I was very busy filming with Kumbari, but today's word is scandali. What does it mean? It means to scare or to be scared. In Italian we say paura or avere paura or fare paura, but the main word is paura, scandari, scared. So I was walking outside and all of a sudden a big chunk of snow fell off the roof and mi scandavo, I got scared. Ho avuto paura. So there it is in a sentence. Have yourselves a beautiful day. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram for more videos e come sempre ci vediamo presto. Salutiamo.